Hello, Charis. I'm going to record your Vivaldi G minor practice spots. I'm probably going to try to do this all on one video. We'll see how it goes. Vivaldi G minor, first movement. Measure 13 is a train. Another train. So this downbeat of measure 20 is a train also. We're going to keep going. Pick up to measure 27. This is another left-hand diction spot, just like we were talking about in sights today. No. Make sure we can hear every note under that slur. I'm going to start from measure 35. So make sure there's a shift there. Great. Another train, we have pick up to measure 52. So you're not stuck out here. Whoops. I'm going to keep going. That's not how you play it, of course, but that's how you practice it so it does not turn into... I'm going to hide those shifts. Measure 68. I don't know why, but I have a piece of highlighter tape here. I don't remember. Maybe this is traveling. From the frog. Rest. So that's a big thing. We want to make sure that when we come here, starting to travel. From the frog. So we can really hear that rest there. And I think this is the traveling to frog part. I could be wrong. We'll find out next week. Then we come here, measure 75, down bow. Again, down bow. And we're going to keep going. Oh, this is a bowing issue. This is not all separate. Down, down, slur, separate, slur, separate, slur, separate, slur, separate, slur, then separate at the end. Sorry, let me make sure this is clear. So check that bowing. We go ahead to measure 94, 5, 6. Measure 96. Let's keep all of that on the A string. Keep going. Again, there's so many little spots, but they're little things, which means you've done great work with this piece this week. Oh, there's a little tiny bowing issue, measure 101. So this can be another little tiny bowing issue. Go down a line. We want this to be on a down bow. Now there's another bowing pattern that happens in measure 114. Down slur, separate, slur, down, separate, 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 down slur, separate, slur, separate, 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 separate. I'm going to play from measure 114. Follow along with my bowing. I loved your our touch and go. You did it. It was beautiful, but I want you to open up even faster. Whew. Get away from me. You've got a water balloon. You're going to chuck it at the floor. I don't know. Open really fast. So by the time you're done, you're really close to the tip, if not at the tip. A little faster to open and close. Great. Now then we're going to come back down to measure 138. This is where we did this. So we're doing prepare, fifth position. Sorry, separate bow, 2 bows per note. Then 1 bow per note. Then take out the ghost note. You're still going to finger it. You're going to have the same motion, but you're not going to play this F here. This was just the ghost note. Now try it with the bowing. Stay right here. This is far. Far away. Close. Close. Hopefully that makes sense. And then we started to have some memory issues towards the 4th page. So go ahead and learn the rest of the 4th page. You are bringing back all of the 2nd movement and 2 pages of the 3rd movement. I believe you have all of the practice spots. You thought you had all the practice spots. And you said you had 8 spots, I think, from the 3rd movement. So hopefully that's going to come through. While I'm on this video, because it just might be simpler to send or share a link, I'm going to give you your country dance practice spots. First one is a big shift. Same idea as what we just did, getting to 5th position with the first movement of a Vivaldi G minor. Sorry. I'm in the wrong key. Sorry, Charis. C sharp. We are now in major. I gotta get out of G minor. So I'm doing 1 to 3. I'll play it again. And then drop your 4. 2 bows per note, and then 1 bow per note. 1 bow per note a billion times, and take out that ghost note again. Oops, excuse me. Prepare. And do, when you take out that 1 note, try starting on an up bow. Because in the piece, it's going to come out on a down bow. Okay, last spot for now, Charis. If this is too much for you, do what you can. That's all we can do these days, isn't it? We just do what we can. I'm starting the pickup to measure 25 in country dance. And I'm only playing the first of each group of 2. So I'm going to pull out the melody, just like we did with Bhagavat. This to be a wiggly spot. It's an arpeggio spot, but not a wiggle spot. 3rd, 1st, 3rd, first. Third, first. Okay, Charis and Janice. Best of luck to you this week. Touch base. Let me know how you're doing. Remember, we're doing an extra group class on Tuesday. Hopefully I'll see you. And I hope that you're staying inside, not going crazy, reading lots of books, practicing as much as you can, and enjoying your life.